Okay, so questions 7, 8, 9 and 10 are all dealing with this working backwards idea. So we've been given the areas of the triangle, so we're going to look at 7 and 10 together, and that should help you with 8 and 9. Okay, you've been given the areas and you're going to use it to help you work out a missing either the height or the base. It doesn't really matter, it's going to be the same method each time. Okay, so in maths I always tell you, right, write down what you know. What have we been learning this week? We've been learning that the area of a triangle is half the base times the height. So let's write that down first of all. Now, in question 7, we're told that the area of the triangle is 20. So rather than having that area, we could replace that with a 20. Okay, we've still got the half. Now, we've got the base and the height. The base is 5, so we've got half of 5, and then we're going to be trying to work out the height from there. Now, numbers are a wee bit awkward here, but we'll deal with it. What's half of 5? Half of 5 is 2.5. So we've got 2.5 times h is 20. Now, when we did the algebra topic, remember, we learnt that the opposite of multiplying by 2.5 is dividing by 2.5. So if we divide both of these sides by 2.5, that'll cancel with that effectively. So we're left with h here, and 20 divided by 2.5, if you type it into the calculator, okay, or there's different ways we can think about it, but you would get an answer of 8. Now, it's always good to go back and check your answer. 8. We've got half of 5 times 8. Half of 5 times 8, 5 times 8 is 40, and half of that would be 20. So it looks like my answer is correct. Now, we're going to do the same thing for question 10. We've got our formula for the area of a triangle, which is half the base times the height. And in the same way, we replace the area, the A, with 56. We've got a half. We don't know the base this time, it's been given the letter A, so let's just put the A in there. And then times the height, which is 8. Okay, now, this is a wee bit trickier this time because it's not in quite such a nice order, but remember, I always say to you 4 times 5 is the same as 5 times 4. We can move these things about. They're all multiplying each other. So half of 8 is 4. So we can write that as 4a. It doesn't matter that the half and the 8 have been separated by the a. Because they're all multiplying each other, that's fine. So I've got 4a is equal to 56. Now we'll move up here just for space. So basically we've got 4a is 56. So we're going to divide both sides by 4, remember, to get what a is. And how many 4's go into 56? Well, we should get 14. Okay. Now, if we go back and check our answer, half the base, half of 14 is 7, times the height, 7 times 8 is 56. And that's why our answer is 14. So that's questions 7 and 10, and hopefully that will help with 8 and 9.